Hello everyone. So now, like in this DCN lab, the first video which I'm going to post is like how to connect two PCs using LAN. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open Cisco Packet Tracer. First of all, this is actually the Cisco Packet Tracer software. So what you do, you just install on your device. After that, like you just need to connect two PCs using LAN. So this is basically the DCN or you could say like the Cisco Packet Tracer platform. So first of all, what you need to do, you just check like the left bottom, right? The bottom left part, like this is the router. After that, as you could see, these are like this is switch. After that, this is hubs, right? But I need to take only the PCs, or you could say the devices. So these are basically the AND devices. As you could see my cursor, just check it. This hand, you just check. This is actually the devices. So you just click on it. As soon as you would click on it, then you would get different options, just like you could take generic one, you could take like iPhone, then like phone, TV, etc. Because various devices we could connect to with the internet. But here the question is how to connect two PCs using LAN. So you need to take this generic one. First of all, do click on this PC. After that, click on generic, then drag and drop it into the platform, right? Just like this, you could take one more PC by clicking on this generic and drag it over here. Done. Now what do you do if you need to change the name of it? So you could do that. For example, PCA, right? If you don't want to connect, if you don't want to give any other name, then it's your choice. And if you wants to give, then obviously you could write PCA, and this is like B. Done. So the renaming has been done. After that, what you do, like you just make the connection between these two. So for making the connection between two PCs, obviously we need some of the wireless, the connection of wires we just need, right? So for that purpose, for taking the connection of wire, you just click on this orange button, right? Just click on this orange icon. After that, you would get to know, like as soon as you would click on it, number of options would come of the wire. For example, this is the automatically choose connection type you could take, but right now we would search some of the wired connection. This is the console. After that, this is copper straight through, but here we would try to take like copper crossover. Okay, now just click on it. After that, click on the PC, and this is the Ethernet connection, so that is why. Then do click on fast Ethernet again. Done. Now you could see like the green mark is there, right? That means the connection is possible, right? The transmission could be done because green light is here. That is why we could say yes, connection is proper, right? With the help of this green light, we could check if, for example, if you need to cut it, right? What you could do, you just click on this. After that, click on this cross button, right? Or like you could remove it. But for example, if you take this wire copper straight through, just try to take it. Try to take it. This would not work. Red connection is there. You could check this red light. That means connection or transmission is not possible, right? What you do is just remove it. Just remove this wire. Just take this one, copper crossover wire. You just take. Click on fast Ethernet. Make the proper connection with the help of fast Ethernet. Now you could see like the connection is proper and the transmission could be done, right? Okay, now what would be the next step? The next step is to set the IP address of these two PCs. Why? So that you could say like these two PCs are in one network. That is why. So what you do, you just click on it, right? After that, this window would appear. Now directly do come on this desktop icon, click on IP configuration. So you just try to give any like classic address. So around you could take 121.0.0.1. Click on enter. Automatically the subnet mask would be taken, right? After that, just do click on another PC, click on desktop, IP configuration. Do take one another IP address, for example 121.0.0.8. Click on OK. Right. That means these two PCs are now allotted the IP addresses. That means the network has been formed. The network has been formed. Now, what is the next thing? What do? You just assign the like packet to these two PCs. So click on PDU. This is actually the PDU means the message. Click on this and allot the PDU means the message to both of the PCs so that the transmission would be done. After that, as this is the real time, but you need to check the simulation also, no? So click on the like this clock button, right? This is actually the simulation mode. Click on it. After that, the packet is ready. Okay, as you could see, the packet is ready. Now what do you do? Click on play button. Now the packet transmission is being done. After that, like this would be like from the receiver side, it would have, okay. So this tick is coming. That means the transmission is successful, right? So the transmission is successful. So what you do if you are preparing any kind of file and for your course, then what you do, try to take the screenshots of the successful completion, right? This is the mandatory thing. So thank you everyone. I hope this is understood to you people, right? This is clear to everyone, right? So just like that, you just do the practical of this PC connection. So thank you everyone.